Worried that a cane might make you look old? Turns out it makes you look distinguished, like a wizard, like you've seen some things. Whether you're choosing your first cane or just looking to upgrade, let's review what you should consider. Tip design is critical for weight-bearing resilience and balance. Single-point canes are great for mild balance issues and are a bit lighter than quad-based canes, those with 4 feet, which offer more stability and are better for those needing more support. You'll need to find a place to rest your single-point cane, but a quad-point cane can stand up on its own. Regardless of the number of points, the tip ends should be non-slip and checked frequently so that you can replace them when they're worn out. The hand grip should be ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, which is critical for those struggling with arthritis or grip issues. Hook canes are easy to hang on a chair or your arm, but may be less comfortable for prolonged use. There are 2 basic overall shapes of canes: the straight or T shape, which are lightweight and great for those with moderate challenges, and the offset shape that looks like a number 7, which provides better weight distribution and stability, so ideal for those needing the most assistance. Canes come in a wide variety of materials like carbon fiber, which is ultra lightweight and strong, though more expensive than aluminum, which is still lightweight and rust resistant, and both of these choices can be adjustable. While wood canes may be stylish and sturdy, they may not have many extra features like height adjustability. Modern canes can complement your style with unique designs and vibrant colors. A cane that reflects your personality can boost confidence and help you overcome the stigma of using a cane if you're a newbie. Travel-friendly, foldable options are great for those with active lifestyles that may just need a cane occasionally, or for when fatigue sets in later in the day. Regardless of your choice, your cane needs to fit right to be effective. When standing straight, the cane's handle should align with the crease of your wrist. Your elbow should bend at about 15 to 20 degrees when holding the cane. Telescoping canes allow for height adjustment, which is ideal if you're unsure of the exact fit. Just be sure the cane joints are securely tightened after you fit it to your desired length. And finally, don't forget to use your flexible spending account or health savings account if you can, because costs vary quite a bit. For more details, we have placed website locations to all of our recommended products in the description of this video. Remember to make every step count and take the next step toward using a cane today, before aging in place.